Congress leader Rahul Gandhi's charges of not inviting President Draupadi Murmu for the Pran Pratishtha, that's the consecration ceremony of Ram Lalla in Ayodhya, because of her tribal origin. Now, in a statement issued on Tuesday evening, Champat Rai, the General Secretary of the Trust, has dubbed Gandhi's allegations baseless and misleading. So these are the latest inputs that we are tracking at this point of time, where Shri Ram Janambhoomi Teerath Kshetra Trust on Tuesday has refuted to Congress leader Rahul Gandhi's charges of not inviting President Draupadi Murmu for the Pran Pratishtha. Now let's take a look at what exactly Champat Rai had to say.
कि अयोध्या में राम जन्मभूमि में रामलला की प्राण प्रतिष्ठा के अवसर पर भारत की राष्ट्रपति आदरणीय द्रौपदी मुर्मू जी को आदिवासी होने के कारण नहीं बुलाया गया। हमें श्री राम जन्मभूमि तीर्थ क्षेत्र ट्रस्ट का महामंत्री होने के नाते, ट्रस्टी होने के नाते राहुल जी के इन वाक्यों पर गंभीर आपत्ति है। ये वाक्य नितांत असत्य है, निराधार है और भ्रामक है। हम ये बताना चाहते हैं कि श्रीमती द्रौपदी मुर्मू जी, आदरणीय राष्ट्रपति महोदय, भारत सरकार और इनके पूर्व के राष्ट्रपति श्री रामनाथ कोविंद जी दोनों को प्राण प्रतिष्ठा के अवसर पर अयोध्या में पधारने का निमंत्रण दिया गया था।
Well, joining us on the broadcast is our colleague Siddhant. A very good morning, Siddhant. The Temple Trust has completely refuted Rahul Gandhi's claims that President was not invited for the consecration ceremony. What more details are we gathering at this point of time on this news?
Well, in one of the rallies, Rahul Gandhi has made this statement that President Draupadi Murmu was not invited for the consecration of Shri Ram Janambhoomi Teerath Kshetra Trust. Charges for not inviting President Draupadi Murmu for the Pran Pratishtha as she comes from the tribal community. Now, that was a statement which Rahul Gandhi made at one of the public meetings, to which now Champat Rai, the General Secretary of the Trust, has refuted what Rahul Gandhi has said, and in fact, he also said that this statement is completely false, baseless, and misleading. In fact, he also went on to mention that not just Draupadi Murmu, but former President Ramnath Kovind, both were invited to the auspicious ceremony held in Ayodhya. Saint families and dignitaries from various fields were invited, and in fact, he did mention that people from the scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, and other backward classes were also invited. The Shramiks involved in the construction of the temple were also present in the Pran Pratishtha ceremony, and even
Right.
people from scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, they were also given place at Gaur Mandap at the Mandir. So basically, Rahul Gandhi in his speeches is trying to turn
Right,
election into the mandal politics. Wherever he's going, he's making speeches on and sort of talking about the caste factor. He's asking for a caste census. Talking about that only, he made this statement, to which now Temple Trust has refuted that. And in fact, Temple Trust said that other people from the scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, and other backward classes were also invited and were very much part of the consecration of Ram Janambhoomi Teerath Kshetra. Back to you.
Right, Siddhant. Thank you so much for bringing in all those details. We'll keep coming back to this story as the day progresses and we get more updates on this. But